Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Goldmine. If you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind and earn money from the comfort of your own home, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to freelancing. We'll cover everything from finding your niche to landing clients and managing your time effectively. Let's get started. Section 1. What is freelancing? First off, let's define what freelancing is. Freelancing is a way of working where you offer your services to various clients without being tied to a single employer. You have the freedom to choose your projects, set your rates, and work on your own schedule. Sounds great, right? But it also comes with its own challenges. Section 2. Why choose freelancing? So, why should you consider freelancing? Here are a few compelling reasons. 1. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere, whether it's your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. 2. Diverse projects. You'll have the opportunity to work on a variety of projects, keeping your work exciting and engaging. 3. Control over earnings. Unlike a traditional job, where your salary might be fixed, as a freelancer, you can set your own rates and increase your income based on the value you provide. 4. Skill development. Freelancing encourages you to continually learn and adapt, helping you grow professionally. Section 3. Identifying your niche. Now that you know why freelancing can be a great choice, let's talk about finding your niche. Your niche is your area of expertise, the skills you can offer to clients. Here are some popular niches in freelancing. Writing, content writing, copywriting, technical writing, and blogging. Design, graphic design, web design, UX/UI design. Digital marketing, social media management, SEO, email marketing. Development, web development, app development, software engineering. To identify your niche, consider your skills, interests, and market demand. It might also help to explore freelance job platforms to see what services are in high demand. Section 4. Setting up your freelance business. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to set up your freelance business. Here are some essential steps. 1. Create a workspace. Designate a space in your home where you can work efficiently. 2. Build a portfolio. Showcase your skills by creating a portfolio website. Include samples of your work, testimonials, and a bio that highlights your experience. 3. Choose freelance platforms. Register on popular freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms help you connect with potential clients and showcase your services. 4. Set your rates. Research what others in your niche charge and set your rates accordingly. Remember, you can always adjust your rates as you gain more experience. Section 5. Finding clients. Now that your business is set up, let's talk about finding clients. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Networking. Leverage your existing network. Let friends, family, and former colleagues know you're freelancing. 2. Online job boards. Utilize freelance platforms to apply for jobs. Tailor your proposals to each client, showcasing how your skills can meet their needs. 3. Social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to connect with potential clients. Share your work and engage with industry communities. 4. Cold outreach. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses you'd like to work with. Send a personalized message introducing yourself and how you can help them. Section 6. Crafting the perfect proposal. Once you find a job listing you're interested in, it's time to submit a proposal. Here's how to craft the perfect one. 1. Personalization. Address the client by name and mention their project specifically. 2. Showcase your expertise. Briefly explain your experience related to the project. 3. Outline your approach. Describe how you plan to tackle the project and meet their needs. Include a call to action. Invite them to discuss the project further or ask any questions. Section 7. Managing your time. Time management is crucial for freelancers. Here are some tips to help you stay organized and productive. 1. Set a schedule. Create a daily routine that includes specific work hours. 2. Use productivity tools. Consider using tools like Trello, Asana, or Todoist to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. 3. Break tasks into smaller steps. This makes projects feel less overwhelming and allows you to see progress. 4. Avoid distractions. Find a quiet space to work and minimize distractions to maximize your productivity. Section 8. Building client relationships. Building strong relationships with your clients is essential for long-term success. Here are some strategies. 1. Clear communication. Keep clients updated on project progress and be open to feedback. 2. Set expectations. Be clear about deadlines, deliverables, and your working hours. 3. Be professional. Always maintain professionalism in your communication and interactions. 4. Ask for feedback. After completing a project, ask your clients for feedback. This not only helps you improve but also shows you value their opinion. Section 9. Scaling your freelance business. As you gain experience and clients, you might want to scale your freelance business. Here are some tips to help you grow. 1. Raise your rates. As you build your reputation, don't hesitate to increase your rates to reflect your experience. 2. Diversify your services. Consider offering additional services related to your niche. 3. Outsource tasks. If you're overwhelmed, consider outsourcing some tasks to other freelancers. 4. Create passive income. Explore ways to create passive income, such as selling digital products or online courses in your area of expertise. Section 10. Overcoming challenges. Freelancing comes with its challenges, but don't let that discourage you. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. 1. Inconsistent income. It's common for freelancers to experience fluctuations in income. Consider setting aside savings during peak periods to buffer against slower months. 2. Isolation. Working from home can feel isolating. Combat this by joining online communities, attending virtual meetups, or co-working spaces. 3. Self-discipline. Staying motivated can be tough. Set clear goals and reward yourself for achieving them to stay on track. There you have it, folks. Your ultimate guide to freelancing and making money from home. Remember, freelancing is a journey, and it might take time to find your footing. Stay patient, keep learning, and don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on making money online. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams.